hair test. Before we continue with the video, don't forget to kindly click the subscribe button below and click the bell icon below to be notified when we upload new material. Are foods making you sick, even some healthy foods? Are you deficient in certain nutrients which could be negatively impacting your immune response? 5 1-inch strands of your hair will answer these questions for you. Headaches, nausea, fatigue, mystery weight gain, constipation, bloating, diarrhea, acne, eczema, leaky gut, just some of the symptoms that can be a result of a food or non-food intolerance. Take the simple first step to knowing your food intolerances. With a simple non-invasive hair strand test, we help you identify the foods in which you are intolerant and sensitive so you can eliminate them from your diet. Knowledge is power. Eliminate the guesswork. Eliminate the symptoms. Get the answers you need to understand your body, and let us help provide a guide for you to design the diet right for your body. What we test for: 750 plus foods and additives, 80 plus nutritional deficiencies, 50 plus heavy metals. Quick results by US lab, all without the prick of a needle or drawing blood. We recognize that bodies are unique, and when it comes to food, not all bodies can handle what others can. These are called food intolerances. An intolerance and an allergy are very different. Although they may appear similar, they affect the body in unique ways. While an allergy can cause immediate immune responses, an intolerance is the result of the body improperly digesting food or being irritated by a particular substance and can be delayed up to 72 hours. So, the thing you are convinced is creating digestive distress after a Thursday lunch you actually ate Monday. These intolerances will cause the body to fight and subsequently react in a wide range of possibilities. We offer the test pack, which is the size of a credit card, for $120. The results are emailed directly to you in about a week usually. Understand just how much your food intolerances could be affecting your health, immunity and overall health today. Just text HAIR to 770-454-1363. We will send you a payment link to your mobile device and either mail the kit or schedule a pickup at our office if you are here locally.